Hello, 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 and good morning, everyone. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Shout out to everyone who made the Sunday lesson yesterday. I definitely was drinking and forgot to record it, but it was pretty much motivation talking, so you didn't miss too much. I'll make another one this week, so don't worry about that. I just posted my key levels. We're going to be watching previous closing price. PCP is previous closing price. That price is the last price that SPY closed at, which is 438.55. I have two entries for calls, 438 and 437.38. That's what I'm playing. That's what I expect all of us to be playing. Sorry, guys, just getting my brokerage set up. I'm going to have calls on my screen. We're going to wait to the first 5-minute candle to see the direction. We don't want to get caught up in anything. And let's make some money, ladies and gentlemen. Friday, we ended on an extremely bearish candle, but the way SPY's been moving is probably bullish. Let's be real. Okay, guys, I got puts ready. I got 439 puts ready, 200 EMA and 439.05 first key level. I'm still waiting. Oh, I hate this. I tell everyone not to play the first 5-minute candle, and the first 5-minute candle is going to hit our price target. This is a more of a riskier play, ladies and gentlemen. Keep that in mind. I'm getting ready to enter. I have a starter position on 439 calls. I just got in at 92 cents. 439 calls, 92. Or put, sorry. I just entered a call like a freaking idiot. Oh my god. I entered a call by accident. I just got out 439 puts. Okay, I'm in at 98 cents. Starter position on puts. 439 puts at 98 cents. I'm going to be looking to take this to possibly previous close. You got to understand the first candle is very volatile. We usually don't play, but our key level is hit right now. I have a starter position. I just went down 10 cents of my contract. This is when I'm going to double down. I have a 50% position right now at 83 cents. That's a big bar. It's okay. We're at our key level. I only have half of position in right now, guys. Half of position. This is why we don't play the first freaking 5-minute candle. Everything looks good. Everything looks good on my end. Everything looks good on my end. So I got in at 83 cents. and 96 cents. 2 ads. We'll see how it goes. We break over this line, I'll probably cut it. We're pretty much max out on the 30-minute time frame at the moment. But we're just going to wait to see how our key level reacts, okay? We broke through previous close and 409 439.02. Okay, perfect. I'm green. And I'm just going to be watching our key level 439.05 and the 200 EMA. Okay, that's all I'm watching for the next 5-minute candle, looking for support or resistance. Okay, I have a full size position right now. I have a full size position, 82 cents. I just added. And I'm probably selling, honestly, at the 200 EMA because this could flip extremely bullish. Hopefully we get a nice bounce, but... my average cost right now, let me go look at that. I'm at 88 cents. Average cost 88 cents for 439 puts. I have a full size position. I'm selling right at the 200 EMA. Unless we hold support at 439.05, but this was the best spot. This was pre-market resistance. This level is resistance at Friday close. So if we hold this support, then we're going to be going to 440. I'm okay to be in calls. I just need to see one of our levels act as a support or resistance. The reason why we are taking this trade, it's our key level 439.05, guys. That's the reason why this could flip bullish. It's okay. We'll stop out, wait for 440. I really see us coming down to at least, I don't know, 438.80s. But if we don't, if this candle is currently using our level as support right now, the candle is not done. So we're going to wait to see how it reacts. But it's going to come down to 200 EMA. I'm not tripping. It's our free money line, man. It's a magnet. It's a magnet. I don't know how fucking long my mic has been off for. I didn't even realize I touched it. The Effery morning candle. That's what we call it. I'm still holding puts, everyone. I'm still holding puts right now until we break this new high. I'm not saying you guys do it. I'm not saying to hop in puts right here. Okay, I'm just doing this because I like this this setup we got going on with the 200 MA. But if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Not a big deal. And if you are bullish, this is the area we should be buying right now. If you're bullish. Was there news that came out? I went up money on that trade twice. That's a piss off. The last area this thing could go is like I'm watching the 200 EMA on the 30-minute time frame, which is at 439.63. The 30-minute candle blew through all these EMAs. We should be coming back to retest most of them. And there could be a quick stop at the 200 EMA first, another 30 cents up. Very possible. But I don't know. I see more downside than upside. I don't know. I don't trust this bar. What news came out? Okay, the 12th. Okay, I'm looking ready to sell my puts. Finally. Finally, baby. There you go. Okay, I'm officially all out of puts. I got out at 92 cents. Yeah, I got Scrooge. I got a bad fill too. I had to add in the 70s, but we're good. I hit that with 200 contracts. I believed in that play. I don't know why. I wasn't believing it, to be honest. You see this roof it started to make? Look at that shit. You see the roof it was starting to make on the 200 moving average? This is why I held. This is the exact reason why I held. All the way back to previous close. Anyone make money on that? Anyone get scared out of a position? W's. Okay, good. Guys, remember, not every play happens right away. This is why I preach. Stay away from same days, man. Do 2-3 days out. If you bought 2-3 days out up here, you weren't chilling. You weren't tripping out at all. I had to add. You guys know my normal position size is 100. I had to do 200 contracts on this play just because those 439 contracts were going to shit. And that first move that happened, I went up like 3 cents. So when it came back up, I had to double down that. Good job. Just trying. 150 on the day. Barbara, that's why it comes down to sizing in for sure. You have to size in. And some plays go easy, some plays don't. That was the play I wanted to happen. It just went up first, right? This, when we dip down and then rip back up, that screws same day contracts. Okay, it's like you have to add on this when you're up here. But don't worry about it. Win is a win. As long as no one lost money, we're good. H, you hit that 17 cents. Attaboy. Great job. It's okay, Dr. AL. You have to. This is why I preach sizing in, guys. And especially with same days, it's very difficult, okay? It's very, very difficult with same days. 26 cents same days. Good job, Sam. I just didn't believe that candle, so that was the reason why I held. Okay, guys? And I had a full position in. And I had to double down the 70s. I didn't have a choice. Because once a play happens and it goes back up, even though it's building a roof, the same days with how fast it goes up there, it's no good. 2%. Good job, Charlie. I'm looking for calls. I'm looking for 439 calls, to be honest, if we hold above that level. Never mind, not anymore. See how fast things change? But I'm telling you guys, if you had safe contracts and you bought where we're supposed to buy, you would have not been shooken out at all. It's only the same days that move freaking 20 cents that quick, right? Any other contract you would have been fine in. I preach, it's like, stop doing same days. If you have the bankroll, everyone should be doing at least a day to... I don't even like the next day. I like 2 minimum, 2 days out. And this is what I mean for everyone that was there last night. I size in where I'm supposed to. I size in heavy. And in one move, I made my money, my daily goal for the day, right? I'm not trying to show off or anything, but it's if you wait for the best setups at the best price, you can hit with sives and have full confidence. Instead of just doing random shitty plays. Like, dude, this is our key level right here, guys. And with the key level, we had the 200 EMA and the 200 MA. You look at the 30-minute time frame, we broke through. We hit all these EMAs. We came back down. We literally retested all of them. Okay? And now we got the 200 EMA. I like the 200 EMA, but I don't recommend beginners playing it. Just wait for the key levels. The key levels print. Our key levels did print. Right? And not everything happens right away. You need to have patience, which is why you need to have a contract that's safe for you to have patience in. If you're doing same days, like what just happened to me, I had to double down on a full position size. I had to double down on it because those contracts went to crap. So just keep that in mind. The key levels print, guys. Ready? Like, look at the roof we're building on 439.05. But there's also building a floor. That's why I was saying I kind of wanted calls. We broke through the previous close. We broke through 439.05. If I just waited, if I just listened, you see, you're always battling yourself, guys. I tell everyone, preach, don't play the first 5-minute candle. Of course I play the first 5-minute candle. If I would have waited for the 5-minute candle, I would have just caught this, right? I would have literally top ticked it and we all could have made money. That's my fault that I played the first candle. Congratulations to everyone who missed out the first candle and bought after. Good stuff. But sometimes you're going to make mistakes, guys. It happens as a part of trading. But as long as you don't let any losses get out of hand and you're being consistent, you're good. I'm going to hit one more play. Guys, I want calls, man. 200 EMA's fucking support. I'm going to do calls. I'm going to get a YOLO call right now. Okay? I'm doing YOLO calls in the same days. I want to see this come back down first. Hit 439 or the VWAP. And then I'm hitting. Come back down first. I like these wicks down below, guys. I really like those wicks down below for calls. So I'm going to do 438 calls because I'm doing same days. I'm not in anything. I'm waiting to see because this thing could just freaking go straight to previous close. So let's just wait. Okay, I don't want calls anymore. Now we have a roof at our key level. We have a roof developing at our key level right now. Let's just wait to see how we react to previous close. You see, I wanted to see a wick and then it to start to turn green and run. This just fell. That's the reason why I didn't take it. The play that I wanted was the support of 439.05, our key level, and it did not happen. So yeah, Neil, I agree. I hate playing the first 5-minute candle. But the reason why I wanted calls here, guys, is because we're finding support bottom. We have big long wicks, right? We broke above our key level. I was looking for it to come back, use it as support, flip green. I would have bought calls for a run, okay? And this is why you wait. You wait for the confirmation. This just fell, which is nice. I put polls up, by the way, just because sometimes I forget. So what I'm looking for right now is I'm still keeping my same key levels, okay? 438 and 439. These are my two key levels. We're in between them right now. I don't know what's going to happen, so we're just waiting. That put ended up being the best put of the day. Fucking beautiful. Should have held for way more, but you know what, guys? It happens. It happens. Don't get greedy. When you see your profits, take your profits. Never over leverage yourself. Neil, I think it's always good just to miss out on the first 5-minute candle. It's just like that one more bar of confirmation. Doesn't matter how experienced you are. Even for me, I had to double down twice. I added 25 contracts and I added 50 contracts. Or then I doubled that down to 50. Then I doubled that down to 100. And I doubled that down to 200. That's how my cost average kept staying with me at these levels. So I was able to get out pretty much where I bought in originally. I need to see support of 439, and then we can hop into calls. I like these wicks down below, but look at these wicks down below, but also look at these wicks above. So we don't have confirmation right now. We're like in no man's land. Remember, when we play our key levels, we're giving ourselves the best opportunity to make a trade. When you're playing at these grounds, these random middle ground stuff, you're just gonna lose. Have your trades pre-planned out, right? Look at my trading setups. What time did I post that shit at? 9:28. Puts 439.05. Right? Calls 438, and if that doesn't work out, calls at 437.38. That's just my game plan. My game plan printed. You know what I mean? It sometimes nothing ever just touches it and goes, right? This is why I size in. I always size in so I can catch the tops. And the way I'm adding in, I'm going 25%, 25% to 50%, 50% to 100. Okay, I'm bringing my cost average down with me every time I double up. You don't just hit a full size position. You enter in quarterlies. There's a rejection of our key level. I don't want to play anything right now. We're still in a zone, so we're just going to wait to see. Oh, wow, Sonny. Good eye. Amazon's falling off a cliff right now. It's probably going to bring SPY down. How many people took this trade with me? 8 people? That's it? 8 people took those puts? Not many people in here. We have 200 people online, and you're telling me that only 8 people caught those puts? Come on, man. That's our key level, guys. That's our key level. You got to understand, guys. There's a difference from playing the first minute bar, okay? But if it's at a key level, I play my key levels because that key level may not hit at all for the rest of the day. We don't know that, right? I preach not to hit the first candle, but if it hits our key level, come on, I have to play. It's my key level. This is a pre-planned trade from early in the morning, from 5 a.m. I already said, like, these are my levels. This is what I'm doing. Yeah, Tommy, start doing safer contracts, buddy. Don't. Same days will spook you out, I'm telling you. Go 3 days out, guys. I'll start doing it just to lead by example, okay? Guys, the polls are up. Hit those polls, or remember to hit them at the end of the day. Okay, we got 2 minutes for the 30-minute candle. Let's see what's up. Let's see what Will's up to. Dips are banking. He is right. I just want to see confirmation of 439.05, and then I'm good. I'm good for calls. And that you guys should be the same boat as me, right? You don't just listen to what people are writing in the chat. We use our skill set to make us enter a trade, no one else's opinion. We have a key level at 439.05. Once we see that support, then that's where you're supposed to buy. So that is a good buy. Don't forget that. That is a good buy. This is where you're supposed to be buying at once you see this level support. Okay, I'm going to try the same calls that I just tried calling, okay? The previous candle, I'm going to wait to see how we react. The next 30-minute candle just started now. I'm hopping in. I'm sniping puts. 439 puts. We broke through all these EMAs and we did not come back down and retest any of them. I'm going to be looking to sell around the 30. Unless we break this high, then I'm not going to enter. This could just run to the 200 EMA and it's in a print. It either drops right here or the 200 EMA, it's going to print heavy. So, okay, yeah, let's wait for the 200 EMA. I'm going to change it to 440 puts. And just wait. That call did print. That was a nice call. I like that play. The 5-minute chart is telling me stay away from puts. My 30-minute chart is telling me we have a pullback. So remember, this is what I say. You need all your stars to align before taking a trade. Okay? And there's no stars aligned right now because getting the calls here, I know we're probably going to see a pullback at the 200 on the 30-minute time frame. I'm going to do safe puts right now. I'm going to look for, okay, I told you guys minimum 2 days out. Let's do July 12th, 440 on my screen. I'm not getting in right now. I just have them up. Sometimes the play you're looking for, guys, you have to look at the higher time frames to see if it's possible, right? So puts up here at the 200 EMA, it's possible. That's why I like it. I'm looking at my risk to reward. If we break out of here, it's going to go past 440. Do I think we're going to go past 440? I think we should have a pullback first, in my opinion. We're not playing at a key level. I'm playing the 30-minute time frame right now. So enter at own risk. My puts are 440 July 12th. I'm not in them. They're on my screen. But my 5-minute chart is telling me stay away from puts, okay? My 30-minute chart is telling me puts. Anyone hit those calls? Good job, Scrooge. 15 cents on the call. Perfect. Good job. Just know the upper risk. Know the upper risk where we could, if you're still holding calls, know where we're able to pull back from, okay? Just know. Know where's a good spot to sell. I shouldn't have to tell you guys where to sell. If you're looking at my screen, you should know where to sell. We have 2 levels to sell right now. The 200 EMA, 439 in 63 in the 60s to 440 is where you would sell calls. Just to play it safe. We broke through the 200 EMA on Friday, and right now we're going for the retest. Remember, don't overtrade, guys. You need 1 trade a day. I'm already past my daily goal. I'm waiting for the best setup. Okay? Now, our trading key levels, you know what they turned into? 439.05 and 440. Those are our key levels right now. You see, we just moved up $1. These two, now it's these two. Or these two right here. Okay, same dollar range. Dollar range, dollar range. This is what we're playing. Patience. We have all the time. We have all the time in the world, guys. And if you hit your daily goal already, you guys should be leaving the chat. Right now we're at the 200 EMA on the 30-minute time frame. Let's wait to see how we react. This could keep running to 440. I'm holding down July 12th puts, 440 puts, okay? I'm in July 12th, 440 puts at 217. July 12th, 440 puts. I'm sniping the 200 EMA. I have a small position size. I only have 25 contracts because I'm up over 2 grand. So I'm keeping my risk small, okay? I'm not planning to lose. My risk to reward is very, very small. But on the higher time frames, from the way I trade, this is a great level to snipe a put. Good job, Walnut. That's what I'm talking about. My 5-minute is telling me stay out of puts, but my 30-minute is telling me to take puts. So that there's a reason why I'm sized in very small. I'm sized in very small, okay? So this candle could end, it has a potential to end red, and if it doesn't, it's going to go, this may go to 440. Sorry, guys. I'm getting a new chair. This thing's loud as hell. It's a Herman Miller chair, and it's freaking a piece of shit. Remember, my 5-minute chart saying get the hell out of puts, okay? I'm literally just playing my EMAs right now. This is not a key level. It's not the best setup, but this play usually works out for me, okay? I'm up on the day. I'm only risking barely anything, okay, compared to what I made today, so also keep that in mind. Okay, so we're looking for puts. We're looking for the first reaction of puts at 440, okay? That's what we're looking at. Our next play, everyone should have 440 puts on their screen if they're not in calls. And we're just playing like that, right? This is our next key level. We broke through it yesterday. On Friday, it was a rejection. If you look at the daily candle right now, we just bounce off the 13 EMA on the daily. This is an extremely bearish candle, right? So I think there is a potential for us to have a sell-off into close. But as of right now, we're bullish. So we'll just wait to see. We play our key levels, okay? These are our next key levels. If they hit, they hit. If they don't, they don't. If you're up on the day, play it. If you're not up on the day, don't play it. Don't think you have to keep making a million plays a day, guys. We just play our key levels. That's all we do. We play our key levels. Let them come to us. We're in between two key levels, which means we do not buy. The only thing that makes me bearish right now is the way the 30-minute chart is set up for my EMA lines. This is the only thing that's making me bearish right now because we did not retest one of those lines. So this very easily can retest all of them. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to. It's a very good possibility it could. And I wouldn't be surprised if this bar went red, flicked red. I personally wouldn't be surprised. I'm playing off the 30-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame was bullish as hell. Good job, Andrew. That's how it should be. Take your 2 trades a day. And sometimes there's only one trade, right? Sometimes you just make your money. Like I made my money in one trade for the day. And now you realize the more you're up on the days, the more you want to trade and the more trades you end up placing. Good job, Mars. Great job. Way too far out the money, though, buddy. Way too far out the money. Because all that has to do is just spike down a bit and your contracts are worthless. You know what I mean? Don't be scared. Don't always try to go for a big win. Say you bought 40 of those contracts. You could have bought 10 of ones that are in the money. You know what I mean? It's all about risk management. That's all it is. So you don't want a potential for this to go down. What was I saying? Sorry. I was just about to add puts here, but I'll just let my shit ride. I forget what I was saying. Yeah, so when you say in the money, right, you buy less contracts, okay, but they're safer to hold because if it goes against you, you may lose 10, 20 cents on it. When you're in so that far out the money, your 19-cent calls can go to like 8 cents. Like worthless, you know what I mean? So it's just a better risk to reward. Man, something's telling me this isn't a tank. It shouldn't though, the 5 minutes bullish. But just the way my 30-minute chart's set up. You guys know how I trade. I take the same trade on the 5-minute time frame. Break through all the EMAs, did not retest them. They're going to come back down and retest some of them, if not all of them. There's no reason why this shouldn't come back down, crack 439 again, in my opinion. I'm just telling you guys what could happen. I'm not telling anyone to make a trade based off of that because we are not at a key level. It could. I'm not sure, Scrooge. Like, obviously, it's set up bullish right now, right? Like, our key level in the 30-minute time frame is bullish. It's just that I would take this trade 10 out of 10 times on the 5-minute chart. 10 out of 10 times. And I would probably win on it 9 out of 10 times. But the higher the time frame you go is the longer the trade takes to play out. Also keep that in mind. Which means if you're playing off the 30-minute or the 1 hour, just get safer contracts. I think I'm getting sick. This sucks. Sometimes this play, in a bullish case scenario, won't play out. Something's still telling me it's going to play out, though. Jeez. It's going to work, isn't it? I just added to my puts, guys. And I'm stopping out if we break this candle. I think the play that I think is going to happen is happening right now. I'm still only sniping. Keep that in mind. Because the play that I'm looking for, I clicked on the 1 minute time frame and it kind of looks like a head and shoulders. So I'm like, maybe it's going to happen. Again, we're not playing at a key level right here. This is just my experience in trading of why I'm taking this trade. Oh, shit. I guess my experience works. Jeez. Yo, shout out to all the people who took that trade with me. Honestly, I appreciate you all. I just sold out of that. I got it at 229. That's okay if you didn't take that. I was pretty telling people not to do it, but you guys, please tell me. It's okay if you didn't take that trade, but I told you guys, 10 out of 10 times I would take that trade on the 5-minute time frame, right? So that's why I decided to take that trade on the 30-minute time frame with safer contracts. Up 10K. Jeez. Oh, boy. I'm up 3,500 on the day. I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. And this play's still going to go down. I still have a feeling it's going to go down. But it may not. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I still sniped that play too. Like I still didn't hold for like a massive win. I just instantly just out. Happy birthday, Scrooge. Happy birthday, man. Enjoy your day with your daughter. You're doing very well. You're doing very well with trading. I'm proud of you, man. Enjoy it. Have a nice little break, and we'll see you tomorrow, buddy. Sam says, how do you lose the fear of putting more money into plays? Buying in at the key levels. Stop listening to chats and have key levels and know which key level has the biggest reaction and hit that with size. That's what makes me hit size with hit with confidence. I'm about to I really want to hit puts right now. I'm gonna hit puts here for fun. I just got back in 440 puts at 208. Small size, small size, small size. I'm still sniping. I'm not even risking 10 cents on this trade. I'm telling you right now. I'm in 412 puts. Okay, I'm doing it extremely safe. The reason why I'm doing this is because I've noticed Head and Shoulders, they do a drop, they come back up before the bigger drop happens. So I'm anticipating a bigger drop. And if it doesn't happen, it's cool. I'm not risking a lot on this trade at all. I did safer contracts. And we broke through all the EMAs. I'm looking for the retest of at least like the 21 in the 1 minute. I believe we could get that. And I don't know, man. I'm just a sniper. Leave me alone, guys. I'm a sniper. Sometimes I play only the key levels, and sometimes I just play off patterns and experiences. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. But when I'm playing key levels, I hit them with size. When I'm playing intraday in this little gap shit, I don't put it size in. It's about to be back to back. I hope so. I don't see this ripping right now. If it does, then so be it. Everyone knows this isn't a drop right now. Stop playing games. Stop playing with me. Easy fucking money, man. I swear. See, if you would have taken this trade in same days, man, you would have freaking... You probably would have got shooken out or have already made profit. When you're doing 3 days out, you can hold longer. You can't sell quicker, but it lets you hold longer for the bigger move. I personally think this is coming back down. But I'm very biased right now because I'm in a put. But if it goes higher, I'm just out. Okay, I was wrong. What did the 30-minute do? That's crazy. The 30 minutes still didn't even hit an EMA, which means this play can still work out, which is absolutely sickening. So, guys, okay, so 440 is our next level. What time is it? 10, 225. I want puts right here. I think I'm over trading, guys, but I'm in at 202, okay? Puts, same contract, July 12th, 440. Something tells me that we're going to have a drop today. The 30-minute chart does not make sense. Bullish case scenario, in the next 4 minutes, we can see this 30-minute candle open, like close above the 200 EMA. The next candle drops, touches it, and then we run to the 100. That's the bullish case scenario. Sonny, you just messaged in the Discord. Oh my god, let's go. I fucking told you. I'm a motherfucking monster. Let's go. That was a fire trade. Should I sell? Anyone hit those puts with me? Be honest. Let's be honest. Who hit those puts with me? Let's fucking be honest. See how it can fake people out, man? I'm telling you, 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10 times I'm taking the same trade on the 5-minute time frame. I'm taking the same trade. So why would I not take it on the 30-minute time frame? Let's go, baby. Nothing but greens. What I'm talking about. Good job, Neil. I'm still in this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I'm out. I just clocked out right now. 225. I bought in at 208, doubled down at 202, and I sold at 225. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Guys, every play worked today, but do you see how longer it just took a little bit of patience for these trades to pan out, okay? This is why we don't do same days, do a couple days out. My 412 puts, or 440 puts July 12th printed like crazy. I bought in at 208, doubled down at 202, and I sold at 225. So that's it for me. I'm done for the day. I'm logging off. 10 out of 10 times, everyone who's been in my Discord for a while, they know this is our play in the 5-minute. We break through all these EMA, hit the 200 EMA. Best believe that's the free money line. And we're going to come back to at least, I think we're cracking 439. I think so, but I'm not saying hold puts because we're snipers. We really don't care. Tommy L, did you take that trade? Yeah, Johnny, I like 2-day out better as well. Good job, 91 Tiger. That's what I'm talking about. Fuck, that looks like a shooting star, my dude. That could be a freaking high of the day. That could potentially be high of the day. Guys, it's still not even retesting an EMA. This could be another put. Tommy, did you do same days today? Come on, man. No more same days, Tommy. We'll go over that this week. I'll let you sit in the trade. I told you, man. Look at that shooting star, bro. Yeah, Tommy, it doesn't make sense because you can't hold long enough, right? That's the only issue. And even like my July 12th were moving pretty decently quick too. I like a week out, man. Honestly, everyone should be doing a week out. Way easier. Way easier to hold at the key levels and way easier to cut quick with a minimal loss. Look at that, man. Oh my god, did we just get the high of the day? Did we short the high of the day? Starting to fucking look like it. Okay, guys. I'm gonna get going right now. Remember, if anyone wants is interested in one-on-ones, hit my DM up. We have a link. Other than that, guys, stay green, man. I have a feeling we shorted at a great spot to short. It worked out. Okay, our plan worked out. The same thing we would trade on the 5-minute worked on the 30-minute time frame. And there's no more trading today. I'm done. I'm going to get going. I'm not drinking this week. Okay, I'm going to the gym. Everyone in here, healthy body, healthy mind. Everyone needs to start going to the gym. If you can't work out, go for a walk. Get some physical activity. You need to walk. You need to step away, right? You want to be able to live life with money. You don't want to be rich and sick. So start taking care of your bodies now. I'm going to get going. Thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate it. Honestly, I do. We have a wicked community here, and everyone is so nice. Everyone is so helpful. If you guys need anything, hit my DMs up. And, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everyone.